What is the age of the Pokson? Huh?
Please, my lord.
Age of the victim, madam?
5 years, my lord.
Seriously? In a case of rape, Pokso, murder, if you take 8 years to complete the crime, where will they stop? 7 years ago, Special CC 412 of 2017.
Yes.
We are in 2024. And all are heinous offense. Law should not be misused like this to keep recalling the witnesses. Petitioner had threatened to kill the victim after the said horrendous act, recalling of witnesses. We'll allow it. What is the age of the Pokson? Huh?
Please, my lord.
Age of the victim, madam?
5 years, my lord.
Seriously?
Please, my lord.
Now what is the age of the victim?
No more. She is no more, my lord.
Yeah? No more.
No.
What happened? 302 idea?
Not
ಇದೆ ಮನೋಜ್
302 ಇದೆಯಾ?
11 application.
ಯಾಕೆ 17 ಇಂದ ಮುಗ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಈ ಕ್ರೈಮ್?
Custody, my lord.
No, whatever it is, in a case of rape, Pokso, murder, if you take 8 years to complete the crime, where will they stop?
Correct.
These things should be done fast, sir.
Like the law says it has to be done within 1 year.
So what? 7 years ago, this Special CC 412 of 2017.
Yes.
We are in 2024. And all are heinous offense. The allegation is rape of a 5-year-old girl and murder.
The stage is already arguments, my lordship. They have filed. They
Many
approached the
times
court
recall
now.
application. Many times recall applications also seems to be.
How many times did you file recalling applications earlier?
Thanks.
Why did you not examine them? Law should not be misused like this to keep recalling the witnesses. Yave witness ಹೇಳಿದಿರಾ ಈಗ ಹೇಳಿ?
Lord, 8, 9, 19, 23,
9.
25, 26, 32.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ CW8 is PW6.
Please, my lord.
Have you not examined PW6 earlier?
Cross examination ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಯಾರ್ದು.
ಯಾರ್ದು ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ? Why?
That time, my lord, the advocate of the petitioner, counsel petitioner was not well. ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ.
Oh. Now the counsel is well?
Please.
Many times the cost was imposed. Cross examination. Your lordship may allow, my lord.
No, see, then tomorrow
Your
it will
lordship may allow, my
be allowed on the ground that they were not permitted to cross-examine at all. I will give only one chance and direct the court to conclude the trial within the next 6 months or even next 3 months, because it is 7 years old in the case of rape and Pokso. And it's a 5-year-old girl.
3 months, my lord, with direction not to seek adjournment.
You are accused number 2. Why are you? He's in custody, is it?
No, my lord.
Then who is accused number 1?
Accused number 1. Mallikarjun.
Again, against whom is the allegation?
Same.
Illa madam. Allegation. Yes, Jagdish. Who is the accused, sir?
Mallikarjun alias Muga.
How are you involved in this? Accused number 2.
In her house only, the
A1 is Mallikarjun, A2 is Chandana. That is you. Where is your application? Objection ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
Yes.
28. Page number 28.
The petitioner, accused number 2, is knocking at the doors of this court, seeking recalling of witnesses so and so. In special case number 412 of 2017, arising out of crime in crime number 245 of 2017, registered for offences punishable under section 376(2)(I), 302 of the IPC and section 468 of the POCSO Act, read with section 75 of the Juvenile Justice Act 2015. The petitioner and accused number 1 get embroiled in a crime for the aforequoted offences on the ground that the accused number 1 had forcibly had page 5 alide. And the petitioner had threatened to kill the victim after the said horrendous act on by accused number 1. The age of the victim at the point in time of the alleged incident was 5 years. The petitioner and the accused number 1 are charged of the aforesaid offences in crime number 245 of 2017. The police, after investigation, filed a charge sheet against these accused, and the concerned court registers special case 412 of 2017. 8 years, close to 8 years have passed by after the registration of the special case, after registration of a special C 412 of 2017, and the trial is yet to come to an end on notwithstanding the heinous offence alleged against the accused number 1 or the accused number 2, as the case would be. The reason appears to be repeated applications being filed by the petitioner seeking recall of certain witnesses on the score that they have not been cross-examined, or they are required for further cross-examination. 2 such applications had been allowed in the past, imposing certain costs. This is the opportunity was not availed of on the score that the advocate who was conducting the trial was not well on the said date. The offence, as observed here and above, the offence is of the year 2017. The offence is of rape and the ingredients of POCSO, as also POCSO and murder, as the child with whom the accused number 1 had forced sex dies. In such cases, if the trial is not completed within the time that is prescribed under the statutes,
1 year.
Statute, i.e. the POCSO Act, 1 year, it would 1 year, it would become travesty. Therefore, I deem it appropriate to direct the concerned court to conclude the trial within 3 months from the date of receipt of the within 3 months after the cross-examination of